Hello everyone, here we have a happy death adder. Here is the Acanthophis antarcticus from the Sydney area, the red death adders as they're called. This is the female. She is still being tease fed, as unlike her brother, she does not like to strike the food right away, but after a little bit of teasing she usually eats, and here she's eating a mice fuzzy. I usually feed my snakes outside of their enclosures for several reasons. One being that I don't like them in just substrate, the other is that I don't want them to associate cage with food. But this girl gets really stressed, and as she needs to be teased for her to bite, doing that outside of the cage sometimes stresses her more, causing her to musk and defecate and all that. So I try to avoid as much substrate as I can, and I feed her inside the cage, sorry. Now she doesn't look very red right now because she's approaching a shed cycle. Just gonna zoom into her body so you can see the color better. But those bands are definitely dark red and bright red on a normal day, and she looks spectacular. The male even looks better. He's more redder compared to her. Now, a little more information about these guys if you're just stumbled on my channel. This is a death adder from the Acanthophis genus from Australia, mainland Australia, and they have very potent neurotoxic venom, postsynaptic, which will paralyze you. But they are easy to deal with venomous snakes. They're ambush predators, and one can be safe around them. They are elapids, even though they look like vipers. And this specific species, the Acanthophis antarcticus, is called the common death adder, and it can be found in multiple places in mainland Australia. And this specific specimen's ancestors came from the Sydney area. We have a nice mirror effect here. I think it looks cool. I don't have my tripod with me right now, so it might be a bit shaky. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, this ended up being a short video for this week, but let me show you her cage as I zoom out. This is her enclosure. Death adders use these leaves to camouflage themselves, and they really like them. And she's been living a happy life. Her only problem is she's not an instant feeder yet, and she still needs to be teased a bit. But so far so good, and she's gaining weight and she's healthy, so hopefully she'll be alright. Just look at the tail. I don't know if you can see, but there's a spur right on the tip of the tail, and that's where the Latin name comes from. I think it's called, they're called spiny-tailed or something. That's the direct translation from Latin. And what they do is they use the tail and the tip of the tail to lure their prey. It's called caudal luring, and I have a few videos of that other's caudal luring in my channel. So if you guys want to have a look, please go ahead and do that. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and advertise the channel to other snake lovers. I hope you like this short video. Take care and have a great day. Bye.